Drink this smoothie every morning to fight the most common vitamin deficiencies and to repair your kidneys. Catherine here. It's a fact that vitamin deficiencies hit 8 out of every 10 chronic kidney disease patients. Not having enough of one or more essential nutrient is linked to proteinuria, anemia, quicker kidney disease progression, and higher risk of death. Unfortunately, many doctors completely disregard this crucial aspect of health and prefer to focus on a diet that forbids as many foods as possible. What to do then? First of all, be your own health advocate and ask to be tested for vitamin deficiency regularly. And even better, try my vitamin smoothie. This is a recipe that's incredibly rich in some of the vitamins you need the most. Some of the most common deficiency in people with kidney problems include iron, fiber, magnesium, omega-3, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. The ingredients in this smoothie are carefully chosen to help your kidneys and to support the health and vitality of your body. Let's see what they are. Okay, our first vitamin superfood here is chia seeds. This small seed is probably the best plant source in the world of omega-3 fatty acids. Deficiencies in this essential nutrient are very common in people with kidney disease and are very dangerous. If you don't have enough of these essential fatty acids in your diet, you will be more at risk for proteinuria, which is a cause of kidney damage, but also high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and even metabolic syndrome. So let's put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. This way, we'll make a gel that will add some consistency to our smoothie and some very needed omega-3s to our diet. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to create the gel we want, so consider making this beforehand. And chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. Antioxidants not only protect the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid, they also protect your kidneys by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals. Next one, this is a food as underrated as it is healthy. Green apple. Let's core 1 apple and add it to the blender. Green apples are lower in sugar than the red variety, great for people with diabetes, and they are very rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is key for kidney health. This powerful antioxidant helps with uric acid, high blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Unfortunately, vitamin C is mostly present in foods that are restricted in a kidney diet due to their potassium content, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, and broccolis. Green apple is an exception as it only contains less than 200 milligrams of potassium and 20% of your daily requirement for vitamin C. Next ingredient is one of the healthiest veggies in the world, kale. Kale is a nutrition superstar. Let's add some of it, just about 30 grams, to our blender after roughly chopping it. This superfood is particularly rich in vitamin B6, another very common deficiency. Vitamin B6 is the happiness vitamin. Your body needs vitamin B6 to make serotonin, a hormone that elevates your mood. Vitamin B6 is also needed to fight anemia. And kale is also rich in magnesium, an incredibly important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Eating plenty of magnesium helps fighting type 2 diabetes and kidney disease. Last ingredient, one of the healthiest superfoods in the world, lemon. This is a very underrated food, but it's also one of the best sources of soluble fiber you can find. A lot of people don't get enough of it. Adding more fiber in the diet is linked to lower cholesterol levels, lower blood sugar levels, and it even helps with body weight. What many people don't know about lemons is that you want to eat them whole. Never discard the seeds as they have powerful healing properties. Never discard the pith and the peel as it's where all the antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber are. So let's just add half lemon to our smoothie. As an added bonus, all these ingredients contain just 220 milligrams of potassium, making this smoothie perfect for anyone with kidney disease. Last thing, add a couple of ice cubes, blend until smooth, and the smoothie is ready! Since this is for 2 servings, you can share it with someone or keep it in the fridge for up to 48 hours. And guys, today we have seen how to fill some of the most common nutritional gaps with just one smoothie. And while this is a very healthy and tasty way of taking care of our kidneys, there is one very notable vitamin that you can never have enough of it in the diet. This is what the experts call the kidney vitamin, because supplementing it can make all the difference in the world in the treatment of kidney disease. Unfortunately, supplementing the kidney vitamin is not straightforward, and many people, even doctors, get it all wrong. To avoid making a serious mistake that could compromise the health of your kidneys, watch my video here now. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.